Okay, thank you. Uh-oh, he's after these people now. Wait, maybe I think I will take a dip after all of them. You get guys on? Are there fish in here? No, no food.
Oh, yeah, feels good.
Hey, fella, look out there. There's a whole mess of water.
Yeah, why you gotta come by the pool?
You got the whole Gulf of Mexico out there. He wants the fresh water. Gulf of Mexico is fresh water, isn't it? I mean, is that salt water?
No, it's salt.
Oh, it is salt?
Yeah.
You can't drink that, right?
Mm-mm.
But you can drink this. So you come to the pool and
Isn't
drink
there
that.
chlorine in this?
Huh?
There's chlorine.
Oh, yeah, chlorine.
So there's chemicals in this, bro.
Oh, he's probably going to pass out.
What is he
Wait,
doing?
you drink chlorine because you're freaking out here. So if he drinks, what the heck? Really, seriously.
If he drinks this, what?
If he drinks this water,
I don't. Well, it's not good for him, that's for sure.
I don't know, he seems to like it.
Yeah, he does. You done?
Nice, back up. Okay. Stay away from my bear. No, we don't have any. Don't look at us. Did you just have pizza? Nope. One strange bird, huh?
What is he staring at?
He's staring at the people over there.
Oh.
Isn't he? We got food out there? Uh-oh. He's looking back at you.
Oh.
Saying, am I being taped?
Oh, I don't have his permission.
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh. He gets closer. Closer. Uh-oh. He's going after him. He's going up to go. He's thinking about something here. What he's looking at. He's sneaking up. He's very sneaky there, right there.
What is he doing?
Got the skinniest little legs, huh? Skinny little thing there.
Skinny neck, too.
Skinny neck and skinny legs. How come this never happens in Schiller Park? I never seen one of these in Schiller
I
Park.
don't even
They
know what
right in
that
the
is.
backyard. Oh, that's one thing I've never seen in Schiller Park, huh? I miss the planes, though. I haven't seen a plane in a long time. In fact, I haven't seen a plane since we've been here.
I think one plane went over,
Pensacola
or
Airport
maybe
is that way,
it was
north. The only planes that would be coming would be coming from Cancun this way. And that's completely straight over the Gulf of Mexico. And I don't be happening. This Pensacola Airport is northeast of there. Right over the bridge and then straight up on that time. Probably about 20, 30 minutes from here, 20 minutes. Depends how fast you want to fly or drive. For this guy, you probably get there in 5 minutes. Like a bird, I can fly. So instead of planes flying by, we get these things flying by down here.
I don't even know what this is.
Gulf breeze. Okay, keep going. How's this for a pose? How's that? Okay, that's my best pose right there.
Yeah, that's a
That's
good
my
pose.
dog pointer